Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ, anyị ekene unu ọzọ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi tata. Anyị si unu ụtụtụ ọma, efifie ọma, mgbede ọma, site na ngara ebe isi wee na-esoyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ n'ụbọchị nke taa na Igbo midia, bụ ebe anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ ife gbara ọkpụrụkpụ na-eme na ana Igbo dị iche iche, obodo dị iche iche na ana Igbo na obodo nke anyị nọ n'ime ya. Dịka o si dị, ọbụna nke a bụ mgbọsị izizi gị ị na-esonyere anyị n'iru akwụkwọ na Igbo midia, ekabalụ ka imetụ aka n'ebe a na-acha red and subscribe, share ekwe ya, gbakwa ụmụnne anyị ndị ọzọ ka fasịsọ anyị na-esonyekwara anyị n'ihe anyị na-eme.
In Lagos is working. And people are celebrating it. Now they are coming to textile industry, which if you come to Lagos, there are the Chinese people that develop some of the textile companies employ the indigenous, like the Nitentes, like other companies, fintech in Lagos. They employ the indigenous of the so-called Nigeria to work in that very area. And today, Nitentes is gone. Nitentes is gone completely. Nothing is happening there.
And people lost their job.
Now they want to, yes, hundreds of people lost their job. Now they want to now bring the textile industry and still give to these idiots who cannot even manufacture anything. But just importation that they are banning, Dangote will be able to import, branding his name in that very product. So what they do to spaghetti, what they do to sugar, in those days when we are growing up, there's what the sugar they used to call yes. So old sugar. But today, Dangote has taken over all these things. And to which detriment? Is it to the growth of the company? And Shetima reminded you in 2015 that they are coming to take over all the pharmaceutical business people are doing in Kano and other places in Lagos.
Yes.
They are coming to take over the auto spare parts and all importation of electronics. And before your very eyes, the Igbo people, the BIAFRA, it is happening.
Yes.
It is happening. So our call for sit at home in Lagos is not just because they are burning Igbo businesses in Lagos, but as well to tell them that we control the economy of the zoo. We have the heartbeat of the zoo at hand. If we shut down Lagos today, Nigeria has lost billions. Exactly. And if Abuja joins, if Abuja market joins, if Kano should join, if Meduguri should join, that means everything has finished. So Igbo people, dear friends, you have Nigeria, if you can make this shut down very, very authentic, I'm telling you, there's no other way Nigeria can go about it. Dangote is just wasting his time. Dangote is harboring money for Obasanjo. Dangote is harboring money for Abotomi Abubakar. Babangida. Even this late Buhari, he has a partner with Dangote, and all of them. And they are the people making policy of a single treasury account, which is somehow a monopolistic way of doing business. So Igbo people should wake up. Port Harcourt seaports, come back from Lagos and develop. You will develop it yourself. When once ship begin to anchor there, you can clear your goods from there. Not the honor that Atiku Abubakar is using with his son. Atiku owns honor because he's an industry in Port Harcourt. They call what's the name of that? This is his industry clears goods there. That's why that honor is still working. Otherwise, it will not be working by now. So Biafra should come home. Calabar is there. Waterway is there. Everywhere. Come down home. Bring down your businesses. This is all I will have to advise Biafrans this very night. And Mazi, please do not shake on our resolve to shut down Lagos. We must shut down Lagos. No matter at all costs, we must shut down Lagos.
That one is done and
dusted.
That one is done and dusted.
And for Zoro, that idiot, that crapper. He thought that nobody know him. He can come to the pages of newspaper and the Amadioha, Ogugu, all the god of Biafra will strike him. In fact, he's using crutches now. He's very happy by using crutches. The one that is coming to him now, he will not even find clothes to use. You don't know that we know him. We know where he stays. We know where he lives. He's an idiot. So don't be afraid and just keep on. The God of Biafra will hold him down. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you and good night.
Thank you. Right. No, we're not in court. I have to bring you. Finally, gotten it there. Off your camera. All right, you're welcome to the program. You're welcome to the program.
I finally come to debunk you on some of the analysis you make.
Go ahead.
And I must tell you that your analysis of rice, you are very, very wrong. The local and the international is sold for 45,000 naira. But the foreign rice now.
So he is not alive now to defend himself, to say, oh, they are the one who asked me to organize this protest. He has been killed, and now they have come to deny that they were not the one who ordered people to protest, but they were sharing the protest all over social media. They were claiming that this is ESN, Abia State. They were shouting and chanting ESN. And we have told Biafra people before, they have no contact with the ESN. They have no control over ESN. They have absolutely nothing to do with ESN. Every ESN commander have left them as far back as over 1 year ago. And when they gather these people to protest in the street of Aba, all of you can bear me witness. We're going to play the video here. All of you can bear me witness that they were chanting, this is ESN Abia State. This is ESN Abia State. They were never ESN. At least you have identified those who died. One of them is the coordinator of Abia State called Akparawa Mande. He was gunned down. He was the one leading the protest, shouting, this is ESN Abia State. They were never ESN. He is not part of ESN. So, and at least you identify that one. He's honorary coordinator of the criminals. Now, the essence of this exposition is, these people doesn't exist since we finished them. We have actually finished them. They are not part of this struggle anymore, and you know that. But this particular exposition I'm doing today becomes very, very imperative, because you need to know what they discuss in the meetings when they gather in a meeting called IPOB meeting in Kuwait. And of course, in other parts of the world where they are still gathering, for those who can gather, because in Finland, they no longer have, they can't have meeting in Finland again. Only auto-piloted IPOB have meetings in Finland. These criminals can't gather anymore in Finland. So those places where they are gathering, I want you to listen to what they are discussing. It's very important you know, so that you know who you are following. I'm going to bring you to the screen. So I want everyone to listen. I am not going to talk at this point. I just want you to listen to when people who are supposed to be having a meeting to discuss about Biafra, they deceive people. They are supposed to be having a meeting how to bring Mazinam Dikano out. When they gather, this is the meeting they have. This is how they discuss about what you are putting your life at risk for.
Yes. That's why you different pressure to shut down the account. So now they shut down the account. They feel all is you understand. So that guy, because of his subordination, Chicken has spoken to him. He continued following it. There is a document to give to one organization, that of state stamp with senior of his account. Yeah, it's a different crime. Yes, it's a different crime.
That means there's something that
is hiding. Yeah,
you're hiding. And you can be forced to open that.
So far, you must have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lies. That is it. Once you have record of lies in
Joe, from that publication, you said from which date they started investigating? I think that was from 2020 shutdown. Anyone they are looking for, if they don't see, they will contact Facebook or they in what you are doing, consistency. Allow them to do it by themselves. Than looking for somebody to. Yes.
Oh, but himself also is stupid.
Because they know that coming from them, they will not do it. And they cannot do it by themselves.
Yes.
Because they are protecting themselves from putting themselves into trouble. And then they can push
anybody.
Anybody does not have sense.
I told this guy, I told Nene, I said, all these messages they ask you to come and write. Ask them, they're also writing on social media now. They make tweets. Those messages, allow them to tweet it by themselves. Than looking for somebody to. Yes, man.
Oh, but himself also is stupid.
They have used him now, I have played.
Himself is stupid. They will use his letterhead.
See, look at the letter.
This is not there is regularities
in what you are doing. Consistency.
How can you use
How can you write this? Yes. Tomorrow you use that. I'll put it in our phone.
They don't know that this is a serious matter. Serious issue, not.
Even those who Simon Epa was signing, even sit at home, they bring it out because he put them on his time on his Twitter. He thought he's playing the public. They printed it out now. They printed those things out.
Okay.
Yeah, those that he said sit at home. He ran and they shut down his many accounts. He have shut them down. Yeah, many things. In fact, there are many things he shut them down.
Are you hearing them?
People say no. Yeah, before he shut down, anyone they are looking for, if they don't see, they will contact Facebook or they go in the archives and hand it over to them.
They claim I shut down. What they are discussing in their meeting in Kuwait is that I shut down my social media handle by myself. I shut down my Facebook by myself. I shut down my own YouTube with over 30 million viewers by myself. And, and for that reason, because they claim they have contacted Finnish authorities and they are investigating me, so I closed down all my social media. But what I don't know is that they can contact Facebook to give them the information. I don't know what information that I am hiding. I don't know what brokers I have done. That the person they are calling their leader, our own leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who is now illegally being detained, have not done. I want you people to understand that these people directly sold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu out, pretend they are working with him. Because here, in their meeting, they are discussing how I closed down my own social media platform by myself. And I don't know what I am doing now that is different from what I have done before my YouTube was closed. I do not know what I'm doing now that is different from what I was doing before my Facebook was closed. The reason why my YouTube account was closed was because I shared the image of the attack on Ikenga, Imo's residence, where there was somebody lying on the floor, on the street there. And because of that reason, they claim it violated the community standard. And because I have shared many, many images that, according to YouTube, violated their community standard and which must be shared. So I risk everything I did to build the YouTube channel, just trying to prove to the world what the Nigeria government and these criminals have done to the Biafra people by posting those images, risking over 30 million viewers on the YouTube, risking about 70-something thousand people who subscribe to our YouTube channel in order to prove to the world what we are going through. Today, we have our own platform where we can post all those things and nobody will block us. Now they are claiming that, you know, these are people without a vision. They have been fighting this thing, BIAFRA, for over 30 years. They cannot even have ordinary website where they can do something on their own. They don't have that kind of mentality. They don't have a mentality of a visionary mentality that can make them be creative and solve problems. They can bring solutions to their problems. But in autopilot, immediately our social media, even Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's own social media was blocked. His Facebook was blocked, was removed. And when Simon Ekpa, when it comes to the turn of Simon Ekpa, they claim I deleted the page. That is what they are using to brainwash those who cannot think by themselves. But I want you to listen to what they are discussing in the meeting of IPOB in Kuwait. And this is what they discuss in other parts of the unit where they are still gathering in their few numbers.
You get no place, it's going nowhere. What is really helping us, IPOB, is patience.
Okay?
They said time heal everything.
They need patience, so they will do what they did to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to me.
In the long run, the only negative part of it is that what you are supposed to get within 50 days, end up getting it in 130 days. But all of this delay, this
they can never come back.
You know, hiding information. It's that crime. If he shuts down any of his accounts,
yeah, it's a different crime.
Yes, it's a different crime. That means there's something that
he's hiding. Yeah,
we are hiding.
They are now contemplating in their meeting that if I shut down my social media handle, it's a crime. That it means that there is something I am hiding. My people, is there anything I am hiding? Everything is on social media. When I have a broadcast, so many people stream it in their own platform. Is there anything? Do I look at somebody who's scared of anybody or hiding anything? No, but they have to say it for them to continue to control few individuals who still gather with them and praise them.
And you can report to open that.
So far, you must have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lies. That is it. Once you have record of lies in your statement. Joe, from that publication, you said from which date they started investigating? I think that was from 2020. Yeah, the month. They said, I think, of October. Yes.
And what they are discussing is from the statement they claim when they started investigating me. Information is coming from an illiterate in Finland called William Wokedi, a criminal too. That is where the information is coming from. Somebody who cannot read Finnish. He relies on what other people read to him. Or he relies on Google translation. He has lived in Finland for many years. He can't speak Finnish. He can't understand the language. Only when he go to Google, he copy it, translate it, he carry the information without understanding language. Look at the information they are passing to people. That, oh, they were investigating me and I have 18 charges and I have lied and I deleted my, so something that doesn't exist. That I deleted this thing myself and I was lying. So for that reason, it's another crime, But this is supposed to be IPOB meeting where they discuss how to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and where they're supposed to discuss about BIAFRA, which they put people on the street to go and die. And this is what they're discussing.
And on that time, that message they shared, you see their process now. They have stages where they are going through. And they say he's already a suspect, of criminal activity. So, and 18 charges is not one day. It's not one day. You must do.
Are you hearing that? They say, I am a suspect already. And 18 count charges is not a small thing. This is somebody in Nigeria have confessed of sponsoring them to kill Igwe. And I have killed an Igwe in Igbo land. This is somebody who has confessed of invading where Igbo people, where young people were having meeting and kill them and tag them cultists, but they were never cultists. They were just political opponents that his own political godfather hired to go and kill them. He confessed in the meeting of yesterday that I played the audio. All of you heard it. Now he is calling somebody else a criminal, that he has 18 count charges. I do not know where they see 18 count charges. Ask him now. Bring where you see 18 count charges against Simon Ekpa. They cannot bring it. It doesn't exist. But he's telling that to the people in Kuwait and deceiving and brainwashing them just to get happy. No, Simon Ekpa have 18. And what you actually, if they claim that Simon Ekpa have 18 count charges, it is not about me. I want BIAFRA to understand that when they say 18 count charges on Simon Ekpa, it's not about me. They are actually talking about Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. What I'm trying to tell you is that whatever I have done today, whatever I'm doing today, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu have done the same thing, and it is not a crime. But they are telling you that what me and Mazin Nnamdi Kanu have done and what we are doing to restore Biafra, to fight for the freedom of Biafra, is crime. And if I have 18 charges, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu also have 18 charges. That is the way they are going. And some of you don't understand it. That's why they have tried to destroy everything that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu have done before he was kidnapped. I want you all to listen.
One must win.
I'm back.
You went, no, that's not new music. That's old. Most of those things are, even the brokers, they say
Are you hearing it? They claim that the broadcast I made on the evening of the day of that news, they claim it is not live. They are discussing it in their meeting. They say, oh, that broadcast is 2022. You hear it? They say it's a lie. It's not live. That, that was not a live broadcast. The same thing they did to Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. They came with, when Mazin Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped in Kenya, they started tweeting with his Twitter handle. They even arranged that it's going to come live. They say it's going to come live to broadcast and all that. So now they claim that my own broadcast that day was not live. That is a recorded broadcast of 2022. I want you all to listen.
the day before. Yeah. He told them he will not broadcast, that they betray him. That was how, because they have warned him. When investigation starts, you warn not to do anything, do certain things. It's just like when they came to me.
Are you hearing it? He is the people in Kuwait that Finnish authority has warned me not to broadcast again. And I said I will not go to broadcast again because they have betrayed me. Okay, I don't know who has betrayed me, whether it is the Finnish authority or whether it is the Nigerian government, I don't know. But I said that I will not, they have warned me not to broadcast again. So all this broadcast you see me doing is not me. It's fake. Maybe he's Al-Sudani from Sudan is broadcasting here now. I don't know. So they gather in their small shell in Kuwait, and what they discuss is that they have warned Simon Ekpa not to broadcast again, but I'm still here broadcasting. So I don't know what they are going to call me now. Whether I'm going to be Saddam Hussein, whether I am what is the name? What is the name of this guy, of this man that acted the Gaddafi movie? General, what is the name of the guy? What is the name of the guy that after?
And by Dalon Linno, only Konisi, when I saw any many rock on Pasinketa, as a Copasinketa Malonum, I think which by 0, and the Cosidi, dịka ị nụrụ ife Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ ya bụ Igbo midia ka anyị sikwa wee na-ewetara nnukwu ozi ya dị oke mkpa. Gịnị ka ị nwere ikwu gbasara maka ya bụ ife? Kabara oke drọpụra your comment, your own suggestion n'ihe ndị anyị na Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Thank you so much and stay tuned at Igbo Media. Daalụ ụmụnne m, kemesịanụ.